So the missing part is this long one. Yeah, and the small one.
Front leg.
Wow. That's what I said. Pwede namang gamitin. Ibalik lang. So, missing na. Nothing. So, sayang. Kulang na siya.
So it's in a box. They also say you can't break it. A true story.
So, worth 50,000. Nabawasan na 2 piraso. Ito pa yung isang box ng mga tools. Ayan. Ayan din, wala na mga laman. Ang tools na ito, puno yan. As in. Puno yun siya. Ngayon, wala ng laman. Actually, ang laman yan is mga ganito. May ibang sizes. Ito lang ang natira, at saka ito. Ay, no. This one.
And this one, and the screwdriver, and these ones are still there.
So, this,
Even the right one.
these two is only left. Dalawa na lang ang natira. Ang dami dito. Iba-iba mga size. So, una-unahang gamit ni Marcel. This is Marcel first tools ever. So, hindi sa basta-basta. Maybe 40 years old na itong tools na ito.
1992.
So, yan lang siya. 1992 sa 28. Because, say this 1999. So, 7 years. 25, 31. 32 years. So, 32 years old na ito. Puno yan sa dyan. Wala na. Wala na yun nabilin. Hindi na lang talaga. Long nose. Wala na din. Ito, bagong bili naman ito kanina. Ito din, bagong bili. I don't mind. Kung gagamitin, basta ibalik lang. Ay, naku.
That's why I have to put in that pouch. But there's only one pouch to look out.
Wala.
So the pouch to keep also. They have everything.
Tingnan mo yan, may ano yan siya. May tatak yan. May tatak yan. May sarili yan. There is a label on it. See that label? May name. Hindi mo na yan sa makita ngayon dito sa mga shop lang ng ganyan. Kasi way back 1992. Isipin mo yung mga tools na yan. And kung alam mo lang, di sana pinagtatago mo na lang lahat. If I know, then if I know it happened like this, I better lock it on the locker na lang. Hindi naman kasi namin nilock, kasi nga may motor dito ang mga bata. Anong gagamitin nila? Kaya lang, ganito naman ang nangyari. Ay, naku. Dito bawal magtanong. Matanong ka, sabihin, pagbintangan. Hindi, wow. Easy lang. If you know na kanang tools hindi sa'yo, ibalik mo. That's it.
How much kilo do you think you're gonna take?
Good morning, ka blessed. Time check 7:30. So, pupunta tayo ngayon mag-scrolling sa mga bukid-bukid. Yung manikin ko kasi nga dati nagla-live selling tayo na ukay-ukay. Wala, hindi na sa natuloy ka blessing. So, ito, dadalhin ko na lang ito. So, ito yung aming bahay kupot. Ito sa Pinas. Tanawa, nakakulambo pa kami. Hindi ako makatulog na walang kulambo dito. Kasi ang daming mga unidentified object. Hindi natin alam. Mahulugan tayo ng butiki. Good morning, God bless. We are now here at Colonsabak at the Lourdes Farm. Ayan, the Salutans Farm. So, ngayon na ako nag-open ng aking vlog kasi nga na-busy tayo this morning. So, let's go up there. Let's harvest corn. I need to speak in English, mate, because my friend in Australia, she don't understand if I speak Tagalog. So, I will show you around on our churchmate's farm. Yay! Hi, mate! Welcome to my vlog.
Ako ba nagdala niyo?
Guys! Welcome ka blessed, and she is the owner, the first owner over there. Yan, Ate Lourdes. Say hi. Speak in English, Sai, because my friend in Australia is watching my vlog.
Speak English because
Yeah, of course you can. You can.
I am a blaan.
Yes, we are both Blaan, but still we are trying our best to speak in English. Our pambato in English is there. Pastora Mylene, just wait later and she will talk a lot.
Ate Hani, ikaw na una dito kay ikaw na sa lagaraw.
So let's go up, up, up. It's a bit cliff. I mean too stiff. Like this. See? Ayan.
Coconut, so we say hello to the coconut.
We see the area of Lourdes Salutan there.
Ayan mga ka-blessed, nandito tayo sa cornfield. Diyos ko Lord, gabi ang... It's too high to walk. And then this time, nearly 11 in the morning. So it's quite sunny and humid. Woo! This one is good to harvest. Look at this. Ready to grill. Corn, grilled corn. Ay, kini ang lami iti oh. Anagon. Ayan mga ka-blessed. Kukuha tayo ng pansaing at saka pang ano na mais. Pang ihaw na mais. Dada, bahala mo. Yay! We are now here at Peace Memorial sa may Colonsabak. Yan, asbang yata ito.
There's nothing in between.
Hi! Yes. Our background, Daddy. Look. Look, oh. Wow. Yay. Welcome to the Philippines.
Happy Philippines.
Yes.
Hmm.